Assalamualaikum 7th class. Today we will start our 5th chapter, Fit and Healthy. Two peoples cannot be exactly the same. Fitness varies from people to people. That means fitness can mean different things to different people. Good health means when you feel good, both physically and mentally. This means having a healthy body that is working properly and a healthy mind where you are able to cope with the many challenges that life throws at you. To ensure a good health, we have to do three things. These three things are: first of all, eating a balanced and varied diet. Varied means to eat different things. If we are eating one thing continuously, it will have bad effects on our health. Second thing is exercising regularly. And the third one is by not abusing our body with drugs like smoking cigarettes. So, by following these three things, we can ensure a good and healthy life. Every year, a human eats over 1 ton of food and drinks about 500 liters of liquid. We eat and drink a lot of things which have bad impacts on our health. To maintain a healthy body, it is compulsory to eat a varied diet. To maintain good health, we should eat foods that provide energy. The food that we eat gives us energy. Different food provide different amount of energy. So we should eat those foods that provide us more energy, and we use that energy to do different sort of works. Second, we should eat foods that provide building materials. Our physical and mental growth depends on the food that we eat. If we eat healthy and good food, our growth will be good. And if the food is not good, then our growth will be affected. Next one is foods that control chemical reactions. The structure of our body is very complex. Different chemical reactions happen in our body. Whatever happens in our body depends on the food that we eat. So if we are eating good food, it will control the chemical reactions in a good way. Last one is food that contain dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is indigestible part of food. The food we eat contains different things which are compulsory for our body. These things includes proteins, vitamins and mineral salts. Now let's see what is the purpose of these things in our food. So first of all, protein. Our body is made up of different tissues. Proteins are needed to build and repair body tissues. Vitamins play a vital part in chemical reactions which take place in the body. Minerals are essential for building tissues such as bones and teeth. Unfortunately, people eat far too much common salt, on average about 20 grams per day, more than twice what they need. Too much salt causes health problems such as high blood pressure, so it is important to less the amount of it in our food. We use salt in every dish that we eat, but it is very compulsory to reduce the amount of that salt. One is energy foods. Fats and sugars are energy foods. Energy is measured in kilojoules. The more kilojoules a food has, the more energy it will provide. If this energy is not used up, the body stores excess energy as fat and the person becomes overweight. And if after eating food we will do work, that energy will be used. And in that case, we will not become overweight. Next thing that is compulsory in our food is fiber. Fiber is indigestible part of food, and fiber is made up of plant cell walls which pass through the digestive system without being digested or absorbed. It gives the muscles in the walls of the digestive system something to push on. Foods that contain fiber help prevent constipation and other disorders of digestive system. Apart from bacteria and viruses, we can become ill in other ways. If we eat too much or do not take enough exercise and do not use the energy that is stored in our body, we will become fat, overweight, or obese. A person who is fat is at risk from a number of serious diseases such as diabetes, heart diseases, asthma, and arthritis. We will discuss these diseases in length. Next one is malnutrition. Malnutrition occurs when we eat too little, and in that case our body and mind did not develop. Now let's discuss the diseases in detail. First of all, diabetes. Diabetes is a condition where your body does not make enough insulin or the insulin it makes does not work properly. In first case, the body does not make insulin, and in the second case, the body it makes does not work properly. Now first of all, insulin is a hormone that allows your body to use sugar from the food you eat for energy or store it for future. We have already discussed that sugars are energy food. So the hormone that is necessary to use that sugar for energy is insulin. People with diabetes could go on to develop serious health problems such as heart disease and blindness. Now let's discuss heart disease. The heart has its own blood supply provided by a blood vessel called the coronary artery. Heart diseases happen when coronary arteries become blocked. This blockage is due to cholesterol. It is a waxy, fat-like substance that found in your cells. Your body needs small amount of cholesterol. It helps to make hormones that help in digestion. The blood supply to the heart may be restricted, causing a severe pain called angina, or cut off altogether, causing heart attack. Asthma. Asthma is a condition in which your airways become narrow and swell and may produce extra mucus. Due to asthma, it becomes very difficult to even breathe. Arthritis is the swelling of one or more of your joints. Excess body weight puts more pressure on the joints, making them inflamed. The inflammation causes the joint to swell and become very painful and stiff. Excess and deficiency of vitamin and minerals cause different diseases. Now we will discuss the diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin and minerals. Different vitamins are known by letters A, B, C, and so on. Vitamin C, for example, is found in leafy vegetables and citrus fruits such as oranges and lemon. A disease called scurvy is caused by too little vitamin C. Scurvy causes loose teeth, muscle weakness, and eventually death. Next disease is rickets. Rickets is a disease that affects bones, making them soft, so they become bent and twisted. Vitamin D is needed for the uptake and use of calcium in the diet. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iron. A person affected with anemia looks pale and feels weak and tired. Next disease is kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor occurs due to the deficiency of protein. Due to this disease, child's mental and physical development is affected. Kwashiorkor occurs commonly in areas where food is in short supply.